Hey guys, so today I wanted to have you come with me to organize my daughter's closet. She is 11 months old and she is constantly growing into new clothes and out of old clothes. So I wanted to show you my closet organization technique, how I deal with the influx of new clothes and old clothes coming in and out constantly, and how I get and keep everything nice and organized in her closet so that it's easy to use and less work, less maintenance for me to maintain. So stay tuned and I'll show you what I do. So first of all, I just want to show you my daughter's room and show you how it's laid out. So we've got her crib and her books here. It's a total disaster, don't mind me. I'm gonna clean up and tidy up as part of the process here, but she is at the nanny's right now, and so that is what we are gonna do while she is gone. So I've got these cute little shelves, and then her closet currently looks like this. And I will show you how we're gonna improve on this a little bit, but keeping some of the same concepts because this has worked really well for me so far. So it does look a little shabby as of now, but we are gonna make it look really good by the end of this video.
Come away, cause I know my soul. A fight or in need, a love or restraint. I'm telling you it's not for gold. Come away, cause I know I won't. The fire in me, the trouble I see. Heaven won't you let me.
Alright, so now you can see my daughter's closet is super nice and organized. We've got the baby pharmacy stuff on top, a few manuals and instruction guides on the top as well, and then we've got all of her clothes to hang up, like her light dresses, her coats, and things that are just not good to go in drawers. Then we've got her swimwear over here, and then on these little IKEA racks, we've got some dress-up stuff, her hats, and then 2 sets of shoes there. And then in the bins below, we've got onesies, bottoms, bodysuits, diapers, and wipes. Then we've got her little laundry bin here. We've got her ergo carrier, which is a frequently used item for us. And then that's it, just room for shoes for her shoe collection to grow on the bottom of the closet. And that's about it. Everything else is going to get organized or put elsewhere. And this is how her closet is going to look. And whenever I have to do laundry now, it's so much easier because I can just toss 90% of her stuff in one of the bins, and it makes it so much easier. It makes my life so much easier, and I have more time to play with my amazing little daughter and enjoy my life instead of doing laundry. So if you guys like this video, let me know. Give it a thumbs up if you'd like to see more content like this. This is one of my favorite things to do. I'm always cleaning and organizing and tidying up at home and trying to make things more efficient and streamline processes. So if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you again soon.